Sir, I will be brief. My constituency is City Kolkata. I have huge number of Muslims and full of Waqf properties and everything. I am little aware, I will speak only few points, that it is a violative of Article 14, which is equality before law. It is unconstitutional due to violation of Article 25 and 26 of the Constitution, which talks about right to freedom of religion. It is opposing that right. It is against federalism, as land as stated, the 7th schedule of the Constitution is a state subject. In Sardar Sayyidana Tahir Saifuddin Sahib versus State of Bombay, 1962, the Supreme Court ruled that states should not interfere in the matters of religion. This bill is divisive. The bill is anti-constitutional. The bill is anti-federal. Therefore, I strongly object to the introduction of the bill.